Hello, friends. We saw yesterday that Jesus defined the Father's perfection as loving those who don't love Him back, treating evil people as kindly as good people, and loving His enemies. He then told you and me to mimic our perfect Heavenly Father. So, Jesus' many life directives to His followers can be summed up in His statement from Matthew 5:48, "Be perfect as your Heavenly Father is perfect." Anytime Jesus told us to live or act a certain way, we know He told us this because that is how our Father lives and acts. He wants us to mimic our perfect Father. Now we know that the life directives Jesus gave us throughout the Scriptures are reflections of the Father's life. That is how the Father lives. Considering this, we can conclude some truths about the Father, and we will begin looking at those truths tomorrow. Godspeed, my friends.